Measure the distance of the entire oval, it appears that it is like 498, 398 instead of the standard 400 meters. But prior to the laying out of the tartan or the rubberized portion and the lining of the track, it was within the standard. But after the tartan was laid and the linings were there, it appears that the functional portion of the oval is only 498. Now the resolution, 398. So the resolution is they are going to take in a third party that will use a telescopic device again to verify the actual or the more accurate verification of the distance of the entire track. So as it is, all our records, because of the 398 measurement, all our records are not yet official, except for the events that are on the straight, like the 100 meter dash.